If you're currently looking for a seriously powerful motherboard for your next gaming PC, buckle up. This board doesn't just deliver raw power, it also comes with everything you need for future-proof gaming. Stick around because we're going to see if it really lives up to the hype. When it comes to modern features, this motherboard checks all the boxes. It supports AMD's latest AM5 socket, which means you can not only use today's Ryzen processors, but you're also set for future generations. And that's guaranteed at least through 2027. One real highlight is memory support. You get 4 DDR5 slots with dual channel capability. In testing, DDR5 RAM ran stable at up to 7,600 megatransfers per second, more than enough for high-end gaming or content creation. On the storage side, this board sets a high bar, 4 M.2 slots in total, 3 of them supporting PCIe 5.0. Add in 4 classic SATA ports with RAID support included. That gives you a super flexible storage setup, whether you're running blazing fast NVMe SSDs or traditional hard drives. Power delivery is impressive too. The 16+2+2 phase design means plenty of power and stability, even if you plan to overclock your CPU. And despite the muscle, temps stayed around 149 degrees Fahrenheit under load, still within a safe range. Connectivity is another strong point. Wi-Fi 7 is built in, with easy plug for stable power to the wireless module. If you prefer wired, you've got 2.5 gigabit LAN. And for anyone who runs a lot of USB devices, there are 2 USB 4 ports on the rear I/O panel, perfect for fast data transfers or modern docking stations. Small but useful extras complete the package. With Easy Latch, you can install or swap your GPU and SSDs without needing screws. And thanks to Sensor Panel Link, you can hook up external displays without extra tinkering. Price comes in just under $320. Not cheap, but absolutely fair given the feature set. If you're after a future-proof, high-performance, and user-friendly board, you really can't go wrong here. If you want to learn more about this motherboard or check current deals, make sure to hit the links in the description. So what are the strengths and weaknesses? Pros: supports PCIe 5.0, DDR5, USB 4, and Wi-Fi 7. Future-proof AM5 socket through at least 2027. Excellent memory and storage options. Handy features like Easy Latch and Sensor Panel Link. 5-year warranty. Cons: VRM runs a bit hotter under load than pricier models. No ECC memory support. Couldn't hit DDR5-8000 stability in testing. If you're looking for a powerful motherboard that combines modern tech with great ease of use, you should definitely take a closer look at this one. It's not only future ready, but also packed with features rarely found at this price point. All important offers and links are, as always, down in the video description. If you liked the video, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.